Gorgeous panoramic lake and golf course views from this third-floor beauty. How does maintenance-free, resort-style living sound? How about deluxe amenities including 21,000 square feet clubhouse, Olympic-size HDD pool, fitness center, tennis courts, bocce ball and so much more, all in a luxurious 55-plus guard-gated community. This condo has been meticulously maintained, has an open floor plan and loads of natural lighting. Kitchen opens up into living and dining areas, ideal for entertaining. Spacious master with walk-in closet. You will truly love having your morning coffee in the extended kitchen or sipping on an evening cocktail on the screened-in balcony, all while enjoying the stunning views. Storage unit directly across the hall, assigned covered parking and centrally located in Viera.